So you guys, fan of oil cleansing method, I am back for you all. And if you're someone who's not getting the context of this video, please watch this video right away. I did one oil cleansing method test on my face close to 5 days back. And this is kind of a follow-up video which I'm doing to tell you guys my experience and my result after 5 days of oil cleansing method. So quickly go and watch that video first and come back and watch this one. And before we dwell into details, hi guys, I'm Chitranshi. Welcome to my channel. If you like such videos, if you like experimental kind of videos, if you like skincare, definitely subscribe to this channel because I do a lot of things on this channel. Trust me for that. Watch out the videos for sure. And please like this video before we proceed because that helps me out reaching out to a lot of people. And let's get started. First of all, shout out to Kaushiki. Kaushiki, thanks for commenting on that video and telling me that I need to do a follow-up video. So I am dedicating this video to you. Thank you. So alright, a quick rewind for you guys who are new here. I did oil cleansing method 5 days back on my skin. And I'm going to tell you what I felt about it in this duration of 5 days and what I feel about it. So as I told in that video, this method was inspired by the YouTube channel The Golden RX, wherein she told that oil cleansing method is a great way to get rid of all sort of blackheads, whiteheads, dirt, oil plugs, sebaceous filaments, everything which you cannot actually see with your naked eyes and which is still present deep down on your face, in your skin. In that video, I used sweet almond oil for oil cleansing my face and I did it for close to 15 minutes. As much as I can say, I saw a lot of videos and I noticed that people were able to pull out a lot of oil plugs from their skin, a lot of dirty nitty-gritty particles, while for me, I was able to dig out only 3 or 4 of them, not more than that. Only 2 were visible and rest were not. So this was my result, and for reference, my skin these days is a combination skin type, which means I have oily T-zone, and this area, cheek area, is just normal. And guys, let me tell you what I felt about it. Since these last 5 days, I have felt my skin has gone better. Yes, I was not expecting such great results, and one thing which I would like to bring to your notice, if you watch that video, you will see that I have one this thing, chota sa dana here, and it was there for close to 3 weeks. It was not going away, and I think it is the result of oil cleansing. It just went off. It was out of my skin within 1 day of oil cleansing. I am not exaggerating it. It was really out within 1 day after oil cleansing. So I was very, 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 very impressed with the results. Second thing to note about oil cleansing method is that it is a great way to get rid of blackheads. It is a great way to get rid of whiteheads. And it is an amazing way to deeply hydrate your skin. So when I get up in the morning, I feel that there are oil traces on my forehead. But after oil cleansing method, the very next day, I saw a lot of reduction of oil from this particular method. So if I repeat what oil cleansing method is, it is a great way wherein you use oil to basically attract the oil from your skin. So if you are someone with oily skin type, I will suggest that you try oil cleansing method at least once and see the results for yourself. It will collect all the dirt which is present deep down in your pores, and once you rub it, it will start attracting those dirt particles from your from your pores, and you will be able to see them on your hands. Yes. So I saw a great reduction of excessive oil production on my forehead area. I did not see dryness. Let me tell you, I did not see dryness. I just saw that excessive oil which my forehead area was producing was incredibly reduced, and the results have lasted till today. So it's been 5 days since I have since I have used oil cleansing method for deep cleansing my skin, and this is the result. Then another thing to talk about is the oil cleansing method is a great way of, providing your skin that deep hydration which it lacks, because you are massaging your skin for close to 15 minutes. For a few people, you might start getting rid of those particles in the beginning of 4 to 5 minutes. For me, it took close to 15-16 minutes to get those 4-5 particles out of my skin. And the reason, because before shooting that video, I did my deep cleansing routine, which I basically do to get rid of blackheads. If you want to watch that video, that will be linked. What is wrong with me? That will be linked right here, so please give it a watch. And so that deep cleansing routine which I used to follow is, it cleans out a lot of dirt and whiteheads anyway. So it was like मैंने 3-4 दिन पहले ही वो deep cleansing method किया था, and then I went for this oil cleansing method, and still I was able to pluck out 4 to 5 dirt particles from my skin. With that being said, guys, I would like to take a moment to let you know that there are people who might face issues after this, because see, every individual's skin type is different. You do not know what a method reacts to on your skin, or same method किसी और की skin पे बहुत अच्छा result लाता है. So make sure that you do not overdo anything. I always request you guys to not overdo anything on your skin. You might be harming them. आपको फायदा पहुंचाना चाहिए, आप उल्टा नुकसान कर दोगे उस तरीके से. So make sure that you do not overdo anything on your skin. And next thing to make sure, if you want to try oil cleansing, is that use the oil which is made for your skin type. So in that particular video, I also left in description box a lot of oils for different skin type, and I will do the same thing here. मैं इस video के description box में भी different skin type के लिए जो oil type suggested हैं for oil cleansing, मैं उन्हें mention कर दूंगी. So आप वो सब Amazon से ले सकते हो. Also, there will be an article present on my website chitranshi.com, so you can go and visit and check out that article to know more about these oils in detail and which oil is suitable for which skin type. So do not forget to visit my website chitranshi.com, and please description box से check out कर ही लेना अगर बहुत आलस आ रहा है वेबसाइट पे जाने में, because अगर आप गलत ऑयल से ऑयल क्लेंजिंग करोगे तो you might be harming your skin. ऑल्सो प्लीज रैंडमली कोई भी तेल लेके ना ऑयल क्लेंजिंग करना शुरू मत कर देना, बिकॉज ऑयल इज रियली हार्मफुल अगर बहुत ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में यूज़ होता है. एंड वन थिंग टू नोट, कोकोनट ऑयल फेस पे नहीं यूज़ करना है, बिकॉज इस ऑयल क्लेंजिंग मेथड में आप मसाज करोगे फॉर लाइक 15 मिनट्स और सो, एंड कोकोनट ऑयल इज अ कमीडोजेनिक ऑयल विच मीन्स it starts clogging your pores if you use it in abundance. Masks में भी लोग use करते हैं, that is okay if you have excessive dry skin. You can use it once in a while, but then coconut oil is a strict no-no for oil cleansing method. किसी ने मुझसे question पूछा था, मैं यहाँ address कर रही हूँ, मैंने comments में बताया था. So for me, oil cleansing method has done wonders. I really loved it. I think I will definitely make it in my routine. I'm going to do it once in every 15 days so that I have more clear skin and that जो थोड़ा बहुत भी तेल यहाँ आता है ना उससे रिड होने के लिए, बिकॉज सुबह सुबह उठ के बहुत चिपचिप लगती है यार, मतलब मुझे पसंद नहीं है. आई वॉज अ ड्राई स्किन टाइप पर्सन एंड नाउ आई हैव टर्न्ड अ कॉम्बिनेशन स्किन. दैट्स रियली क्रेजी. आई थिंक दैट्स बिकॉज ऑफ द मॉनसून वेदर विच इज गोइंग ऑन. बट दिस वॉज माई टेक ऑन ऑयल क्लेंजिंग मेथड. इट इज ग्रेट फॉर ब्लैक हेड्स, वाइट हेड्स, एक्ने के लिए भी काफ़ी लोगों ने बोला है, बट मैं वो यहाँ क्लेम नहीं करना चाहूँगी बिकॉज सी आई डोंट हैव एक्ने एंड आई कैन नॉट से, बिकॉज एक्ने काफ़ी सीरियस इशू होता है. आपको बिना डर्माटोलॉजिस्ट से कंसल्ट करे अपनी स्किन पे कुछ भी ट्राई नहीं करना चाहिए if you have excessive acne. Also, just for you guys, I am in process of shooting a video wherein I am in detail going to talk about different oils for different skin type. If you would like to watch, तो वो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको वीडियो मिल जाएगा. आई एम नॉट श्योर वो वीडियो पहले आएगा ये वाला, तो अगर आ गया होगा तो मैं उसे यहाँ लिंक कर दूंगी, और अगर नहीं आया होगा तो सब्सक्राइब कर दो चैनल को, आपको नोटिफिकेशन जरूर आ जाएगा. And I think this is all we have for today's video. If you guys have liked this video, तो please thumbs up press कर दो. नीचे दिया गया like button है ना ऐसे वाला, उसको press कर दो यार, because if you will like my video will reach out to a lot of people and I'll be really happy that I'm making content which people are liking and which is useful for them. Also, if you have any questions related to oil cleansing method, make sure you drop in a comment. I always reply to each and everyone's comment. Also, comment नहीं करना है तो I am available on Instagram. My handle is chitranshi.me. You can DM me there. मैं DMs के भी reply करती हूँ. And DM करोगे तो follow भी कर ही लेना. And yeah, I think that's all we have for this video. I will see you again very soon with another interesting video. Bye.